It's good to make sure you are eating healthily and taking vitamins before and during your pregnancy. A healthy woman with a good diet is more likely to have a strong and happy baby. That means eating a range of different foods every day. It's important to eat proteins such as eggs, fish, meat, or githeri, as well as whole grains and lots of fresh fruits and vegetables too. The size of your meal doesn't need to change. Iron and folic acid are essential for you during pregnancy and help prevent anemia and complications with your baby. They can be obtained for free from your antenatal clinic. Eating healthy and taking iron and folic acid every day before and during your pregnancy will help you stay well and your baby grows strong.